How to run wire through pre-existing conduit with existing wire?
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. There are two ways to add wires in an existing conduit that already has wires inside. 1. You need an insulated fish tape which is designed to slide in the conduit and will not damage existing wires because it is made of a fiberglass material. Insulated fish tapes are expensive, too. Best way, you can shut down power on the wires, then use one of the existing wires as your pull wire. Disconnect it at both ends, tie all your new wires onto that wire and add an extra wire to replace the one you are using and then pull them all through the conduit. Connect the extra wire back to its original terminations on each end and then you have your extra wires. Always use wire lube when installing for ease of sliding into the conduit. Hope that is understandable. Let me know any clarification needed. Thanks.
Okay, thanks. The only problem is I am making one of the outlets a dedicated outlet and it is at the end of the run. I can't see how the conduit is ran because behind walls. Would there be a junction box?
Okay. Junction boxes are not allowed to be hidden behind walls, they must be exposed by code. So, it should just be from point A to point B as you can see the conduit at both ends. There should be nothing in between. Thanks.
How is it separated to the 3 outlets?
I do not understand. I cannot see what you have. You need to tell me what you are referencing.
I have 120A circuit. Laundry room. I want to make one outlet a dedicated outlet for a sauna 20A. It is the last outlet in line from the CB.
Okay, the conduit runs from the panel to the first stop, then the next stop, and so on. You will have to find each stop along the way and pull the new wire in each loop of the conduit run. Point A to point B to point C and so on. Conduit just loops in and out of each box.
Oh, thank you. And is there an easy way to determine the stop order, like tracing the conduit?
Turn the breaker off and write down everything on the circuit. It should run to the closest point first, then to each item after. They would have run the conduit in order to keep it easy and as short as possible. Once you open all the receptacles up that are on the circuit, you will be able to jiggle the wires at each and see which one goes to which.
And to my understanding I can run maximum 9/12 gauge wire through half conduit.
Yes, that is correct. 9 number 12 is the maximum in a 1/2 inch conduit. Be sure and get some wire lube. They have it at any building supply like Horn Depot and Lowe's.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.